has been a year of constant challenge and continuous change. We run the risk of fragmentation of our global economy, increasing uncertainty, and serious geopolitical fracture. In the meantime, the climate crisis is accelerating, reminding us of the need, the imperative for the green transition. We at the ECB continued our fight against inflation this year. At our last Governing Council of the year, we kept our interest rates unchanged. We remain absolutely committed to returning inflation to our 2% target. And I made clear that we will not lower our guard until we are sure we will achieve exactly that. Throughout this year, we've taken strong action towards reaching this goal. This year was also marked by other important milestones. We welcomed Croatia to our Euro family, making it a 20-member state family. We launched the preparation phase of the digital euro, and we chose two possible themes for our future banknotes: European culture and rivers and birds. I am sure that many of you are looking forward to the festive season now. So I wish all of you a joyful holiday, a Merry Christmas, and a happy start.
Hello? Guess what? What?